What's the meaning of Adlai Stevenson? Adlai Stevenson. Adlai Stevenson. Adlai Stevenson. Adlai Stevenson. Adlai Stevenson. Adlai Stevenson was an American politician and diplomat who served as governor of Illinois and was twice the Democratic Party's nominee for President of the United States in the 1950s. Stevenson is known for his intellect, eloquence, and liberalism, and his influence on the Democratic Party continued long after his political career ended. Despite losing both presidential elections, he left a lasting impact on American politics and is often remembered as one of the party's most revered thinkers and orators.